This is New Year's Eve. I just thought we could welcome the new year together by dipping
This is
a
the new
few.
news for the 10th of May,
Oh,
2014.
Walkway.
This is a story that not everybody will find appealing.
This is New Year's Eve. I just
strange
thought we could
incident
welcome
occurred
the
yesterday
new year
afternoon
together by
where multiple
dipping a
victims slipped
few.
one after another on the banana peel.
Oh,
The only witness witnessed repeated banana slippers
Yeah.
producing out from
This is
mountain
New
nuts.
Year's Eve. I just
One
thought we
victim,
could welcome the
Hannah,
new
slipped
year
one
together
after
by
another. It
dipping
was
a
horrible.
few.
We asked some islanders their opinions.
Walkway.
What is this going on?
Yeah.
I
This is
wasn't
New
listening.
Year's Eve. I just thought
Thanks
we
for
could
watching.
welcome the new year
I'm
together
Tim
by
Thompson. This
dipping
is
a
your news
few.
report for the 10th of May.
Acquaintance. Yeah.
Carl, I barely touched anything. I'm sure that whatever minor alteration may have occurred will go completely unnoticed. I could be any kid running a time machine. See? My hair is completely
This is the news
different.
for the 12th of May, 2014. The legendary Dora Goldie Island was finally discovered by the Talk Research Group. It has been given the scientific name Cocorodonna. It was also found to feed on cheesecake. Talk, who discovered the deer, said, "We have proven to all those doubters that the Don deer really exists."
En la Casa de los Modales estamos interesados en cómo convivir con otros de un modo agradable
I can't
y
be seen on TV.
respetuoso.
Please turn the camera off.
A veces estamos
Thanks for
encantados con algo que
I'm
un
Ben Hannah
amigo
and
nos
this was
ha
your news
hecho.
report for the 12th of May.
Entonces, podemos hacerle un cumplido diciéndole lo que nos gusta de él o de ella.
This is the new news for the 14th of May, 2014. There is an extremely popular new course that is called for grown-ups on Goldie Island. In this class, featured expert Eric reveals all of his tips on how to attract the person of your dreams. One student, Darren, said in a confident voice, "I took the class for a night, but it changed my life. I feel like I could fool anybody." We wish Darren the best of luck with his future tips. We asked some islanders their opinions. Even if you want to look away,
Carl, I
just
barely
fine.
touched anything. I'm sure
This
that
is some
whatever
kind of
minor
roundup
alteration
from
may
Tomodachi.
have occurred will go completely
Thanks for
unnoticed.
watching.
I could be any kid running a
I'm
time
Yoshio
machine. See?
Sakamoto and this
My
was your
hair is
news report for
completely
the
different.
14th of May.
You may not touch my brandy. Water boy. Yes, sir. Nice thing. Just right. Just
This is
right
the new news for the
a
15th of
man.
May, 2014.
Uh-oh.
An eye-popping new product is in
Worry.
stores.
Watch.
Analysts predict your old household system may
Yes,
soon be
master.
restored.
En la Casa de los
The Android
Modales
Booster
estamos
up yesterday
interesados en
and
cómo
Thursday
convivir
evening,
con
even
otros
with
de un modo
Just
agradable
popping
y
your ravioli,
respetuoso.
wait 3 minutes.
A veces
And pop.
estamos
Perfectly
encantados
toasted
con
ravioli
algo
comes
que un
flying
amigo
out.
nos ha hecho.
We asked
Entonces,
some islanders their opinions.
podemos hacerle un
I'm so
cumplido
excited.
diciéndole lo que
I'm a
nos
big
gusta
fan of
de él
news.
o de ella.
Thanks for watching. I'm Reggie Peasoner and this was your news report for the 15th of May.
I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it. I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it. I don't know how that Easter Bunny does it.
This is the new news for the 15th of May,
Easter Bunny does it.
2014. You may have heard stories about Martin McFly before the actual. He has always been rumoured to overreact all the time, but never done just how much. Now the news team didn't believe the reports at first. But they managed to catch his reaction and they confirmed the stories don't do it justice.
What a
We
relief!
asked some
I was
islanders
on
their
the floor
opinions.
here doing my
I
push-ups
can't believe
when
something like
wham,
that would
bam,
happen.
everything went dark and
That's
I
the
was
news I wanted to
squashed
hear.
by that.
Thanks
What
for
do I
watching.
care? I
I'm
spent the
Tim
whole
Thompson.
day
This
under
was your
that
news
thing.
report for the 15th of May.
Something dumb, I bet. What do you mean, all right? Look at the mess we were in just 'cause of her. He saved our lives and he helped us find the best.
This is the new news for the
What a
16th of May,
relief! I was on the
2014.
floor here doing my push-ups
What else
when
can I
wham,
understand
bam,
about
everything
it?
went dark and I
Ladies.
was squashed by
the
that.
president loves
What
that
do
so
I
much.
care? I
But he
spent
forced
the
his staff
whole
to
day
put it
under
in
that
There's
thing.
never been anything like
Something
it,
dumb,
and it
I
is getting
bet.
great
What do
reviews.
you mean, all right?
In fact, it
Look at the
tastes so
mess
good
we
that you
were
might
in
want
just
to eat
'cause
it.
of her.
Please do.
He saved our lives and
We
he helped
asked
us
some
find
islanders
the
their
best.
opinions. I can't
What
be
a
seen on TV.
relief!
Please turn the
I was
camera
on the
off.
floor here doing my
I can do
push-ups
something
when
crazier than
wham,
that.
bam, everything went
Thanks
dark
for
and I
watching.
was squashed
I'm
by
Patrick Sickles
that.
and this was your news
What do
report for
I
the 16th
care?
of May.
I spent the whole day under that thing. Something dumb, I bet. What do you mean, all right? Look at the mess we were in just 'cause of her.
This is
He
the new
saved
news
our
for the
lives and
17th
he
of
helped
May,
us find the best.
2014.
If you keep
During the
your
exhibition was
body
held at a fancy shop in Josh's
relaxed
town.
in
Ladies all over the world
the
wearing this flashy jewelry.
body is
This remarkably
in
beautiful piece was on
contact
display and offered plenty of
with
excitement to visitors.
the depths of your soul.
We asked some islanders
Is
their
that clear?
opinions.
Because it's quite
Surprisingly, it
important.
even got my attention.
I'm
And
lost.
so,
Do you know where we
if
are?
you if you are stiff
I'm Andre
in
Seegers, and
any
this was the news
joint,
report for the
you
17th of May.
impede the current, the emotion, physical current of what the music itself dictates to you. If you have a stiff joint, you don't let it
This is the
go
news for the
through
3rd of May,
into the
2014.
keyboards.
Are the
Long time
product
later, Andre decided to start a new company
many,
last
many
month.
ideas, many
His new
different
company
people.
exports mass-produced pasta
And not
pesto.
only your teachers,
They ship
but
from Wobu Island
artists
to all over the
and
world, but as of this
It's
month,
a
they are still in the red.
combination of all your
Even though the
musical
company is already
experience
almost
which
bankrupt,
creates
Andre
your
stated,
voice.
I just wanted
And
to be
that's
called the
what's
boss for once in my
most
life.
important is that
We
there
asked some
you
islanders
have
their
a
opinions.
stamp.
Finally, it's about time.
You,
I'm
Paul
completely
Katz,
speechless.
plays the cello
Thanks
like
for
no
watching.
other
I'm Mario
cellist.
and this
And
was
he
your news
teaches
report for the 3rd of May.
that